This is Jim with Absolute Control Irrigation Specialists. I want to welcome you to our channel, another episode of Tips from the Swamps. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the relationship of the Par Plus face panel and the OSM output module and how they work in conjunction with each other. They are connected by a series of ribbon cables here and here through the module referred to as a Power Interconnect. This piece right here. Power Interconnect is the router which all signals come through and are sent to the right places. Now, if I want to activate something on this OSM, I just need to go to face panel, go to a manual function such as multi-manual, and press that, and then press Start Advance. And you'll notice that the one light turns on the OSM, and I have an output light that is showing also. If I choose to activate more than one station, all I need to do is move up to station 2 or any other station, press Start Advance, and you'll notice I now have a second station that has been activated. And on my indicator lights, I have the 2 that are on. I can do this up to 6 stations. Five and number 6. And you'll notice that I have 6 indicator lights on the OSM that are on, which says that I'm running 6 zones, which is the maximum number of zones the Par Plus is capable of running based on the size of transformer and the amount of current that is able to carry. To turn these zones off or shut this OSM off, I just need to press the Cancel Clear button. And you'll notice that the lights have now all turned off. I can also select other stations. If I go to the multi-manual function, I can select station, let's say station 7. I can press Start, and you'll notice that the light for the 7th station has turned on. To turn that off, I hit Cancel Clear, and that will turn that zone off, as you'll notice. And that's how the Par Plus face panel works in conjunction with an OSM output module. It must pass through the Power Interconnect. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any new videos. We also appreciate your comments and suggestions. Remember, we will provide you a shipping label and we promise you a quick turnaround on all repairs. Visit us on our website at www.absolute-control.com. Thank you from the Gator with Tips from the Swamp.